In this video, we'll show you how to create a new variable using arithmetic operations. To demonstrate the process, we'll calculate the body mass index, or BMI, for each respondent in our dataset. BMI is a measure of body weight relative to height, and is commonly used to assess whether a person has a healthy body weight. We'll calculate the BMI for each respondent in our sample. Since we already have their height, measured in inches, and their weight, measured in pounds, we can simply substitute those values into the BMI formula. BMI equals weight times 703, divided by height squared. To do that, first select Transform from the menu bar, then click Compute Variable. In the Target Variable field, type a name for the new variable. Let's call it BMI. In the Numeric Expression field, enter the following expression, open parenthesis, weight, times 703, close parenthesis, divided by, open parenthesis, height, raised to the power of 2, close parenthesis. Alternatively, you can double-click the variable names in the left panel, to insert them into the Numeric Expression field, and then type the operators around them. This expression tells SPSS to calculate the new variable, by multiplying weight by 703, and then dividing the result by height squared. Click OK to complete the computation. Finally, let's make sure that a new variable called BMI was successfully created. We can find the new variable in the last column in Data View, or in the last row of Variable View. If you do not see the new variable, the computation was unsuccessful. We can check the syntax that was executed by looking at the log in the Output Viewer window. If there was an error in how the computation was specified, the log in the Output Viewer will often show an error message. Here you can see that the computation was executed. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments, these will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.